Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to dispute a credit report error but couldn't figure out how to reach TransUnion? It's a common dilemma that can be frustrating and stressful. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of contacting TransUnion by phone and provide some tips to ensure a smooth and efficient experience. Understanding the importance of contacting TransUnion. Before we dive into the steps, let's discuss why it's crucial to reach out to TransUnion directly. Credit reports play a significant role in various aspects of your life, including securing loans, renting a home, and even getting a job. If there's an error on your report, it could negatively impact your credit score and limit your financial opportunities. Gathering essential information. Before making the call, it's important to have certain information readily available. This includes your TransUnion account number. If you have one, it will expedite the process. Your social security number. This is essential for verifying your identity. The specific error or dispute. Clearly articulate the issue you're addressing. Supporting documentation. If you have any evidence to back up your claim, gather it. Identifying the right TransUnion department. TransUnion has different departments that handle various inquiries. Depending on the nature of your issue, you'll need to contact the appropriate department. Here are some common scenarios and the corresponding departments. Dispute a credit report error. Contact the Consumer Dispute Center. Request a credit freeze or thaw. Reach out to the Fraud Department. Inquire about your credit score. Contact the Consumer Services Department. Dialing the correct number. Once you've identified the correct department, you'll need to find the corresponding phone number. TransUnion provides their contact information on their website. Look for the specific department you need to reach and note down the phone number. Navigating the phone menu. When you call TransUnion, you'll likely be greeted by an automated phone menu. Listen carefully to the options and follow the prompts to reach the desired department. You may need to provide your social security number or account number at this stage to verify your identity. Speaking with a representative. Once you've connected with a representative, be prepared to provide the information you gathered earlier. Clearly explain the issue you're facing and ask any questions you may have. The representative will assist you in resolving the matter and provide guidance on the next steps. Tips for a successful phone call. To ensure a smooth and efficient interaction with TransUnion, consider the following tips. Be patient. Phone systems can sometimes be slow or have high call volumes. Be polite. Treat the representative with respect, even if you're frustrated. Take notes. Write down important information or instructions provided by the representative. Follow up. If you don't receive a resolution within a reasonable time frame, follow up with TransUnion. Additional resources. If you prefer to handle your inquiry online or have additional questions, TransUnion offers other resources. Online Dispute Portal. You can submit disputes directly through their website. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. The FAQs section may address common questions and concerns. Contacting TransUnion by phone can be a straightforward process when you know the right steps. By gathering essential information, identifying the correct department, and following the tips provided in this video, you can effectively address any credit report issues and protect your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.